Humans are the brainiest creatures in the world, no doubt. But did you know that we also do some pretty brainless things, sometimes even as habits? To keep our bodies healthy, we do various things like eating healthy, working out, and more. But sometimes, we overlook the health of the most important organ in our bodies, the brain. It's the center of controlling all our body functions and everything we do. So it's time to quit these brain killer habits to keep your brain healthy. In today's video, we reveal 12 habits that are damaging your brain. Let's get started. Number 12, physical inactivity. Why do you usually work out? Mostly it's to stay in shape. But exercise not only benefits your body, it perks up your brain as well. Think about what happens when you sit too long without any exercise. You start feeling fatigued or sleepy, right? That's your brain signaling you to change positions and move around. Exercise increases blood flow to your brain, providing it with essential oxygen. Regular exercise improves cognitive function and memory retention. On the other hand, staying inactive can lead to cognitive decline and memory impairment. Number 11, multitasking. To use our time optimally, we often multitask. However, this means our brain's wires get jumbled every time we focus on more than one thing. While it may seem like we're being productive, the reality is quite the opposite. Constantly switching your focus from one task to another without a break comes with a cognitive cost. Not only does it reduce your brain's effectiveness, but it also increases the stress hormone cortisol and the fight or flight hormone adrenaline, ultimately overstimulating your brain. Number 10, sleeping with head under covers. How comfortable do you feel when sleeping with your head under the covers? Maybe you love it because it blocks out the morning light and helps you sleep better. However, no matter how cozy it feels, you need to be concerned about the amount of oxygen you're getting. When you cover your head, you breathe in less than 21% oxygen. The worst part is that your carbon dioxide intake increases with the trapped air inside your blanket. Since oxygen is crucial for brain function, remember that sleeping with your head covered might damage your brain cells. Number 9, smoking. Do you think smoking only causes heart and lung diseases? The answer is no. Smoking also messes with your brain. It damages cell membranes and neural viability in areas responsible for balance and coordination. It also thins your cortex, leading to problems with language, memory, and perception, and even more severe issues like dementia and Alzheimer's. Number 8, drinking alcohol. Maybe your evening drink isn't as relaxing as you thought. The more you drink alcohol, the more brain cells die. If you maintain this habit over time, it will lead to chemical imbalances and eventually decrease your brain volume. Number 7, lack of social interaction. Humans are not meant to live alone. Social interactions are a crucial aspect of our development, especially for our brains. Spending too much time in isolation can make your mind feel worse. On the other hand, meeting with friends, talking, and socializing encourage brain development and even enhance brain capacity and creativity. So make time to socialize and express yourself freely. Your brain will thank you for it. Number 6, overeating. Not everything is good in excess, even eating. Did you know that overeating can mess with your brain? It's not just about gaining weight or being out of shape. Overeating can seriously damage your brain, hardening its arteries and harming your mental capacities. Plus, consuming too many high-calorie foods, which are obviously bad for your heart and body, also increases the risk of memory loss or mild cognitive impairment later in life. So, watch what you eat to keep both your body and brain healthy. Number 5, too many sugars. Most of us have a weakness for sweet foods, right? But what do you think the bad effects of eating too much sugar are? We all know it can lead to type 2 diabetes, dental cavities, and weight gain. But how does eating sugar affect your brain? Our bodies absorb amino acids, nutrients, and vitamins from the food we eat. When we consume too much sugar for a long time, it disrupts this nutrient absorption process, leading to malnutrition or imbalances. This means our bloodstream doesn't get enough nutrients to deliver to the brain, hindering brain development. As a result, your thinking ability and memory can suffer. So cut down on sugar if you want to keep your brain healthy. Number 4, skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast is becoming a habit for many of us in our busy lives. You might think, what's the big deal? It's just another meal of the day, right? But here's the thing. Breakfast is the meal that gives your body and brain the energy to start the day. Skipping breakfast means your brain gets a poor supply of nutrients and glucose, which it needs to function properly. Continually skipping breakfast can lead to the degeneration of brain cells over time. So don't skip the fuel of the day just to save a few minutes. Number 3. High volume on headphones. Wearing headphones can help you tune out the world, but the problem lies in the volume. If you crank up the volume to the max with your headphones or earphones, your brain won't like it. Listening to high volumes can damage your hearing ability. How does this affect your brain? Even a slight loss of hearing makes you work harder to understand what someone is saying, which can eventually lead to the loss of brain tissue or conditions like Alzheimer's. Enjoying music is fine, but remember, your brain has a limit on how much sound it can handle. Number 2. Insufficient water intake. Water is essential for our bodies to function, and it's just as crucial for the brain. When you're fully hydrated, your brain can think faster, stay focused, and be more creative. Water plays a key role in transporting nutrients throughout our bodies, ensuring sufficient blood flow to the brain and effectively eliminating toxins. Wondering what happens if you don't drink enough water? It can lead to cognitive decline, reducing your ability to focus and solve complex problems. Number 1. Lack of sleep. How many hours do you sleep at night? If it's under 6 hours, you're in trouble. Sleep allows your body to repair itself and gives your brain a chance to rest and function properly the next day. When you work too late or scroll through your phone and stay awake at night, you're not allowing your brain to rest. This bad habit of inadequate sleep can lead to severe problems, such as slowing down your thinking ability, impairing your memory, messing with your concentration, and making you feel like a walking zombie the next day. If you continue getting poor sleep at night, you could even develop depression and memory problems. So remember to get at least 6 hours of continuous sleep each night. If you're having trouble sleeping, like insomnia, it's better to see a doctor before it gets worse. Take a good night's sleep and stay refreshed. If you want to keep your brain healthy, it's time to give up these bad habits. You'll be surprised at what your brain can achieve when it's in a good mood. If you're ready to give up those bad habits, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts below. Also, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon to get more tips on staying healthy.